EMI or tenure. Smart strategies to optimize your home loan repayment. When managing a home loan, one of the most important decisions borrowers face is whether to reduce their monthly EMI or shorten the loan tenure. Each choice has a distinct impact on your financial health, and the right strategy depends on your goals, cash flow, and market conditions. Balancing EMI and tenure, what's at stake? Owning a home is a major life milestone, offering both emotional satisfaction and long-term financial security. Home loans make this dream accessible by providing upfront capital, repaid gradually over time. However, how you choose to repay your loan can significantly influence your financial future. Two key levels shape your repayment journey. Equited monthly installment, EMI. Lowering your EMI can ease short-term financial pressure and improve liquidity. However, it usually extends the loan tenure and increases the total interest paid. Loan tenure. Reducing the tenure while maintaining or increasing the EMI helps you repay the loan faster and save significantly on interest. Choosing between these options requires a careful evaluation of your financial goals, income stability, and future commitments. Why this matters now? With recent repo rate cuts by the Reserve Bank of India, lending rates have declined, especially for floating rate home loans. This presents a timely opportunity for borrowers to reassess their repayment strategy. If interest rates fall, retaining your current EMI can help reduce the loan tenure, leading to substantial interest savings. If interest rates rise, increasing your EMI while keeping the tenure unchanged can help offset the impact of higher rates and reduce overall interest costs. Some lenders also offer a hybrid approach, allowing partial adjustments to both EMI and tenure, ideal for borrowers seeking a balanced solution. Tailoring the strategy to your needs. There's no universal answer to the EMI versus tenure dilemma. Your decision should reflect your current financial situation and future plans. Choose lower EMIs if you're facing tight cash flows or expect additional expenses. This improves monthly liquidity and ensures repayment continuity. Opt for a shorter tenure if you have surplus income and want to minimize interest outgo and become debt-free sooner. Also, don't overlook the tax implications of your home loan. Both principal and interest components offer tax benefits under Sections 80C and 24B, which may influence your repayment strategy. Final thoughts. As lenders continue to adapt to market dynamics with flexible repayment options, borrowers are in a strong position to make informed choices. By aligning your home loan repayment strategy with your financial comfort and long-term goals, you not only manage debt more effectively, but also contribute to a healthier credit ecosystem.